able to have something like this, a deployable GUI, where you can upload and pre-process your own lung sounds, feature models, and then you can get the results on the dashboard. If you see here, when you upload lung sounds, you will get something like this. Feature extraction step, it will look like this, and after model evaluation, 3 models that we will deploy in this GUI, you will get the results, and the final results give you the prediction whether it's asthma, pneumonia, and wheezing. And whenever you are either using this paper or implementing it, so do cite this paper in your project reports